So it's very low barrier. They teach people how to focaccia and our raspberry, I think we're calling it a breakfast tea.
Do you
Wow.
sell cinnamons here?
There's a cinnamon roll right there.
Wow. Wait, let's open it. Your reaction. Just across the street is
Birthplace of UPS.
Gentleman was given $100 to start the business from his dad, and so he started doing a like a delivery service around the area, and then merged it a few years later, and then they merged again, and that's how it became UPS.
all right. It's official. We're inside.
Oh, wow. Funderburgh, and they're all wood-fired ceramics. The color is because of the wood ash. Yes, yes. So this.
That's pretty
Thursday, you have a new extra.
Yeah, all the purveyors.
Yeah.
Beer, but like, So this building was nothing but a shell, and I met Dom, and I was like, "So what are you up to?" And he's like, "Oh, I'm gonna turn this into an art show in a couple weeks." And I was like,
Wow.
"Couple weeks? Like, what?" I was like, "There's nothing